Bonjour à tous. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll start with the basics. The French alphabet. Understanding the alphabet is crucial for pronunciation and reading. Let's get started.
The French alphabet has 26 letters, just like the English alphabet. Here they are: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So for an example, A is pronounced ah, B is pronounced bay, C is pronounced say, and so on. Let's go through 3 letters with an example word. A pronounced ah, as in avion, which is plane. B pronounced bay, as in bateau, which is boat. C pronounced say, as in chat, which is cat. In French, some letters combine to make unique sounds. Let's look at a few common ones. Chow is pronounced like ush in English, as in chien, which is dog. O is pronounced oo, as in mouton, which is sheep. I is pronounced like a, as in maison, which is house.
Great job today. You're on your way to mastering French pronunciation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more French lessons. À bientôt.